I'm gonna try to make this quick and fast. If you want to change your mirror cap, your turn signal, or your puddle light, I'm about to show you how to do this all in one video. Alright, so what you want to do is make sure you got the mirror lined up with the bottom of the cap, so it don't hit the cap when you pull up. Pull that down. Alright, so that's fine. Alright, so all you gotta do is push up. There it is. That's normal to hear that. Make sure you disconnect the plug right here. That's the plug for your turn signals. So to take the turn signals off is really easy. If you want to take the turn signals off, you just slide this back. You slide it back and it slides out that way. So to get to the puddle light, all you gotta do is take this mirror off. So what you want to do is just pull it back slightly, not too hard. There it is. It ain't broke. It sounds like it broke, but it ain't break. You pull that back. All right. So what you want to get to? Well, hold up. All right, there it is. It's that one screw right here. Where my light at? All right. There's one screw right there, and the other screw is on the other side under this. Let's see if I can get to it. Right there. All right. And once you take them off, it's a tab. It's a tab right here, and it's a tab right there. You gotta take off. All right, you got them two. All right. So once you get that tab off, you pull this tab back, and you pull that back. All you do is slightly pull down. Let's get it back on there. All right, you slightly pull down. And there you go. Now, you gotta get a flathead for this one. With your flathead, you're gonna just pull this back. Just gonna pull that tab back, and you're gonna lift up. All right, once you pull that tab back, you're gonna take that off. Now, what you're gonna do right here, you're gonna pull this part off. Once you pull it off, then you're done. All right, you take this light off, just like a regular light bulb. Take it off. And you put the LED joint in there. And all you do now, everything in reverse. All right, since we got everything back on, let's see how it looks. Nice and bright.